Your door or trunk light won't turn off. Don't panic, I'll show you a super easy way to fix it. Most of the time, this happens because a door isn't fully closed, or a tiny sensor is dirty. Take a look at all your doors and the trunk, just make sure they click shut properly. Even one door slightly open can trick your car into thinking something's wrong. Next, check the sensors. They're usually small switches near the latch. If they're dusty or a little stuck, give them a quick wipe. That alone fixes it more often than you'd think. After that, lock and unlock the car, or turn the ignition off for a few seconds and back on. The light should reset itself. No scanner needed, just the car realizing everything is okay. If it's still on, sometimes it's just a loose wire near the sensor. Make sure everything is snug and connected, nothing complicated. And one quick tip, don't disconnect the battery. It can actually cause more warning lights to appear. Stick to these simple steps, it's safer and easier. And that's it. Your door or trunk light should be off now, quick and simple. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out more easy fixes like this. See you next time.